What's up, guys? Welcome back to Amazing RC. Well, as you can see in front of me, I have a brand new 8S X-MAXX. Why, should you ask? Because we're going to throw a few little red aluminum alloy bits under the hood. Got a few parts from Traxxas, so you're going to go on these shocks and also some wheels to the wheelie bar. So that alone is going to take a little bit of time, but it's going to be a lot of fun. Also got a dust protector for the inside for when you go out there and start slamming around. I don't want to get all that grass and bits and stuff. Trust me, watch some of my videos. It takes me a lot of while to clean my truck sometimes. So we're going to go ahead and install this, install the other little bits, and we're going to install some cob LEDs. Now, if you've been following my channel, you'll see some of my videos where on my X-MAXX I actually have several cob LEDs on the front, 54 to be exact, and they can see through concrete. So, I had a very good friend of mine, and he wanted the same setup. So, he told me, he said, Brian, when I'm out there in the dark and I turn this truck around, I want to be able to see it.
I don't think we're going to have that problem. We got these upgrades done, be sure to check out part 2 where we go ahead and make this custom adapter to run these cob LEDs going on the front of this gorgeous 8S X-MAXX.